Yarana o Moino Teye e Hatehuru. Maitei oe. Yarana ya oe ite hana. Hello, it's Moino from Polylingual Reo-Teti. How are you? Good? Today I will talk about Tahitian words versus English words. Interesting, huh? But before we dive into our lesson of the day, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like bell below to get notifications as I will be posting a new video each week. Are you ready to learn? Wainene oe? Let's do this! English language has a major influence on the Tahitian language due to the presence of the English-speaking missionaries in the 19th century, as well as sailors who navigated to the waters of the Society Islands. English words are borrowed and used in the Tahitian language, but of course, they took a Tahitian pronunciation with its own Tahitian flavor. By the way, till this day, as a joke, Tahitians love to Tahitianize English words or even French words. Now, as you know, in the Tahitian alphabet, we have only 13 letters with 5 vowels and 8 consonants, and one particular one which is the eta, the apostrophe. When English consonants like B, K, G, S, Z, L were present in an English word, these consonants were transformed into existing letters in the Tahitian alphabet. Let's look at some examples. The letter B in English was replaced by the letter P. For example, broom in English we say purumu in Tahitian. The letter L in English was replaced by the letter R. For example, flour, bread in English we say farawa in Tahitian. The letter K, G in English was replaced by the letter T. For example, gallon in English we say tarani in Tahitian. The letter D in English was replaced by the letter T. Dollar in English we say tara in Tahitian. The letter S and Z in English was replaced by the letter T. For example, razor in English we say reta in Tahitian. And there are many other examples. Here's a list of English words borrowed into the Tahitian language. Pineapple, pineapple. Minute, minuti. Hour, hora. California, tariforonia. Onion, oniani. All the months of the year are also borrowed in the Tahitian language, like Tenuare, January, February, February, Mati, March, Eperera, April. With the English influence in the Tahitian vocabulary, it makes it easy to recognize lots of words in Tahitian and helps with the comprehension. If you know any words in English that we borrowed in the Tahitian language, let me know. I want to know. And post in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. That's it for today. Woo! That was a lot. If you want to learn more about the Reo-Teti, the Tahitian language, check out our website polylingual.com. I'll see you guys next week. Tiraya hoa hirema marurumet e ite fagor ame, yamet e oto ite yemhana. But hey, nana!